All right, so I just called this trade out. It's a counter trend trade, but I wanted to show you live what goes on, what is my thought processes with things like this, and what goes on in taking setups. Now, this candle is the candle that came into the zone, right? But it closed very bearish. So now I need to, the next thing I'm wondering is, what is this candle going to do? So we got 4 minutes on this candle. Excuse me, to see what this candle's going to do. So what I'm looking for with this candle, excuse me, they might have already, man, that was the move right there. So this candle does this. This is how. If this candle closes like this is in hammer, right? So what I will be looking for, and you know, obviously maybe a holder, maybe a little baby wick or something like that. If this candle starts closing like this, then I'm ready to take the candle break. Exactly right there. So the next candle come in, probably come down a little bit, and then as soon as that candle starts flipping and doing this, we're in the trade. So hold on. I'm just giving you an example. So once a live candle does that, then stop will be below this target, this wick target, and we'll be targeting those highs up there. And then, you know, it'll play around, and let's just say it was a really good trade, and it just, what we're looking for is that. That's what we're looking for off of this demand. We're looking at something like that. That's what I'm looking for to happen. It doesn't have to look like this. It can, you know, struggle a little bit, but that's what goes on in my thought process when I'm taking these setups, or I get these setups to you guys. And hey, the beautiful thing about this trade setup, if this continues going down, it's invalid. It just be invalid. And at that point, we just don't take the trade setup. And nobody lost. And I'm sitting with my account ready. Let me put this in. Oh, I got it ready. I'm sitting, I'm waiting. We wait patiently. And while we're waiting, let's go over the news this week. Monday, nothing USD related. That's good. Tuesday, we got CB consumer confidence. So I expect Monday to be kind of choppy, maybe. And then all the volume coming in at 10 o'clock for this move. All right. And Wednesday come, not too much for US. So then Thursday we have, I'm sorry for these sunflower seeds, unemployment claims, premium GDP. So far what I'm looking at is either this day Monday or this day Wednesday is going to give us a good setup, and it's going to lose. So at this point, we just got to play it by ear. Most likely, if Monday is not choppy, then we should be able to get us a setup. Tuesday, we'll just look for a setup after news. When if Monday wasn't choppy, then Wednesday going to be the day where they're going to be getting people for the news for Thursday. And then once Thursday news is over, then Friday going to be a really good setup that we can take and win. That's how I look at the market. Wait a minute. I see core index. I didn't even see that. Hold on. So all the volume probably going to be on Thursday and Friday. So again, one of these days, Monday or Wednesday, going to be a choppy day. But we're going to play it by ear. Well, I ain't finna be in the market. That's all I know. All right, so what we got here? Technically, the break of that candle is not even good. Even you got in. I ain't gonna say it's not good. I mean, now at this point, you can just put it below this wick. But it's continue going down. I don't like trades that once it starts getting too far into the zone like this, it should just tip. You see how this one tapped it and shot up? That might be been the move. It might just been the move, low key. Cause see it tap, made a fractal, broke this candle right here, and then you long it, stops below this candle, take out the other high. But it'd have been a 1.4. We ain't trying to do that. We want 1 or 2s. 1 or 2s or 1.2 point, you know, something like that. We want the RR to be in our favor. I'm a little snackaholic right now. But I am liking these wick rejections. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in right now. I'm in. I ain't even get in. I'm gonna wait for it to go back up. Get back in. I ain't get to get in. Once you go back up there, I'm getting in. I ain't get to get in. So once we get back over the line, I'm getting back in. I mean, technically I can get in now, but this is what we're looking for. All right, and you heard the pops. Getting in 3 positions. Instantly in profit. Oh. Let me see if I can keep my same trade in. This is demo, by the way, but how much am I risking? It's not showing. Oh wow. How many zeros I gotta put on this thing? Somewhere around 140. That's fine. So I'm risking about 140. So that's how much I'm risking on this trade. With all my 3 positions in. And you just live for what happens, man. If it hits stop loss, oh well. Live to trade another day, cause why? Look. Come over to signals. I be trading. Look. TP smash. TP smash. This one, TP smash. This one end up hitting TP smash. Like we be hitting. So we can't win them all. We definitely can't win them all. And the ideal ain't to win it all. This is have a risk to reward in your favor. So hopefully we get a beautiful, we got a fractal that came up right there. Fractal that showed up right there. These are the wick lows. This is what I do. I just sit here. Oh, if I'm on the truck, I just put it in and go do my work and chill. But as soon as I get off that truck, we start doing these live videos for y'all. Just sit here and wait. But okay, so it's wicking in lows. Most likely it's probably, if it wicked that low and start breaking these lows, it's probably gonna be a losing trade. Most likely. So yeah, at this point, it could possibly be a losing trade. I used to do this stuff too. Put all these lows in. Ain't no point. You got the wicks. Them breaking the lows, and then it's probably gonna come down to this wick out. we be out to trade. I be wanting my stuff, you know. I give it a tight stop loss. I mean, some of y'all be having y'all stop loss right here, but I mean, you can put your stop. You know what? Maybe I put my stop loss like that. As long as it's a 1 or 2 something. All right, I put my stop loss on it. Beautiful wick rejection. If it did take out people's orders right there, this should turn back around. It should turn back around. Who knows? But hey, this is what it is. I'm in it. I married this trade. I ain't gonna close it out. I don't even be paying attention to it. I got it on my phone. Yeah, man. Trading can get boring, man. Trading boring because I've been doing this for so long. I just need to start leveling up and making more money so I can get off the truck. You see that? It wicked down there and went back up to our entry, so it took out sell orders and shot back up. For the people that like putting tight stuff. Sometimes I put a tight stop loss in. I'll put a tight stop loss in. It whipped me out. But then I'll just get back in at the break of the candle. Don't take it personal. Well, this candle is about to close in 2 minutes. Candle about to close in literally 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. Oh, I didn't even put my TP in. Let me do that. What is it? 90 to 68. Wow. Wow. They're starting to move now. We'll have us a good week. We're gonna trade around that news. I ain't got time for that news. I don't trade news. I'm on the truck. I ain't got time to trade no news. When I get my finances together and I'm at home and I can do these live videos where people are on them and we live trading, then we'll go back trading the news. All right, we're starting to move. We are starting to move. Looking nice. As I was saying, I've been trading like this for 2.5 years. To a point, it's boring, and that's a good thing. I totally do not care if this trade hits stop loss or take profit. Yeah, see, I'm floating somewhere around $18, $20, $21 for real. Like, this is what my account is at. I'm at 26 right now instead of 25. Okay. I honestly do not care, because after a while you get numb to losing. It still stings, but I trust my trading plan more than I trust the next trade. I'm gonna say that again. I trust my trading plan more than the next trade, meaning I don't trust this trade. right now. It could possibly lose. I trust it just enough to make sure that my risk factors are correct. My stop losses, is in the right area, and my take profit is where I need to be. And through a series of 50 to 20, like 30 to 50 trades like this, or order block setups, then I look at the result and see, oh, cool. But you don't know. You never know. You might not win the next trade. That's why you don't put a whole bunch on. Like, I used to flip accounts off this stuff. I used to literally load up $300 and flip accounts. I stopped doing that because I learned to trust my process of how I trade. Trust the trading process. You don't know, this trade might lose. You know what I'm saying? It could turn around and go bearish right now, and I'll be done. And it's okay. I'm okay. I ain't putting no stops at no break even. I ain't doing none of that. I'm trusting in the whole setup. So this is what it is. I don't want to make this video too long, where y'all just sitting here watching this trade, unless y'all just really want to watch this trades. If y'all like trading videos like this, where I'm trading, you get to see my process and explanation and things like that, leave in the comment section what y'all want me to do. But other than that, man, I'm about to go watch TV and come back and see what's trade up there going on, because I ain't trying to sit here and look at this all day. It's boring. I'm bored. You know what I'm saying? So I will see y'all on the next video. Peace.